everybody, it's Neil and welcome to my kitchen. And today I have this little device, this little things here. And I don't have all the pieces and parts I need at the moment, but I'm just gonna show it to you anyways. What this is, it's for the Apple Watch. And so it comes with these little pieces that go on the watch band. I can show you those. I'm not sure what these are, let me see. Do they say anything? There it looks like, a blessed faith. And I don't even know. I don't think they're going to say anything, so whatever. But I'll show you what these are here. It's just a little piece with a little hole in it. So I could say if I wanted to be blessed, I could be blessed and stick this thing here on my little Apple Watch and it shows that. So it's kind of cool. Not sure I need to be blessed or faith or whatever the other ones are. They're more for probably the female on that. But then also what it came with was this little thing here, and this is what I was most interested in. And so you see what it comes with are the things that connect up into the watch. So you know, like when you take off the band, you know, you can slide this into its place, right? So I would slide, how does it go? Sorry. I'm a little blind, I had some eye surgery, but there, you see it slides in there. And it would give you the ability to hook up to a traditional watch band. So I would use this little springy piece in here, and then I could use any watch band on the Apple Watch, which is really cool, which is what I was looking for. So that's kind of what I got it for, was to be able to do that. It came with, I guess this is silver, a gold one. My watch is black, so a black one here, although I'm getting the new one that's silver, so I probably can use a silver one for that. But you can kind of see this is what it does, so I can put on any kind of cool band that I get from anywhere else. It doesn't even have to be an Apple Watch band. As long as it's a traditional style, I'll be able to put it on there. So that's what I liked about this. And so it was a little kit, and it came with a little screwdriver here to be able to pry those pieces on. So it's actually really cool. So I'm giving this a thumbs up. Cute little kit, super inexpensive and easy. Be sure to like this video, links in the description, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be back with some other reviews soon. And these are the different choices on those other little band things that go on the watch. I mean, I don't have any desire for any of these for myself, but somebody will want these. There we go. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.